little shocks. Rounds, hearts. Something's meant to be torn apart. Faith, hope. Something's meant to be gone broke. Killing butterflies.
That was cool. Here are some amazing thunders. It's happening all the way at Lakeshore. Record. Are you okay, Teresa? We are Gucci. Whoa! Don't, you missed that. Oh my god, that was so cool though. We peace. Whoa! Hashtag amazing thunderstorms. It just. Oh! Whoa! Look at all these leaves. Okay, just. Okay. That tree looks like it's been struck by lightning. So since it's happening all the way over there, it's fine. We're Gucci. Whoa! Jeez, that was bright. Saw the lightning. Oh my god, you couldn't even see that lightning. Oh my god, it's just like it wasn't even a normal lightning strike. It was like this. It was a lightning strike, but then it went back inside the clouds. Whoa! It's okay, Teresa. It won't hurt you.
It's really far away. You can't even hear it.
It's so far away, but you can still see it.
If you can hear it, then it'll be closer.
Yeah. Well, something one just lit off over there, but I just saw a light flash in the sky. Whoa, that looks like purple. Geez, that is sick. This is cool to watch thunderstorms. And as you can hear, it's raining. The classic thunderstorm. But it's Gucci. Is that happening? The waves sound like that they're going up pretty high. Whoa! God, that was cool. I'm pretty sure I got that on camera. Such a cool lightning strike. It just lightning strike, but it went back in the clouds again. What? These are some crazy lightning. Whoa! This is cool, right? Whoa! You could even see a hidden cloud with that. This is so cool. I'm gonna just keep it onto my face for now. Cause why not? What's up, house? Gucci, Gucci, Gucci.
Jasmine.
What?
Thunder just came.
Nice. Yeah, I can feel it, the rain.
Yeah, I just felt the rain coming.
Are you okay? Hello, there's some kind of tornado happening over there. Look at the sky, it's so pretty. Especially with all the rain and thunder. Somebody's watching TV.
You watching that?
Hi. It's gonna be a thunder strike. I know it. I just know it. I see something crawling. What? Oh my god! Whoa! Oh my god! Oh my god! Whoa! Oh my god! These are the crazy thunderstorms. Hold on. Whoa! I love this. Guys, these are some cool thunderstorms. You have to admit it. Whoa!
I'm not looking at these thunderstorms.
Brr, sorry. I got a shiver because it's cold out here. But it is amazing to watch. Little lightning came, but it wasn't that big. So, it's raining. But I don't care. So all I came here was to enjoy this thunderstorm with you guys. XD.
I didn't even know it was gonna thunder.
Yeah, me either. Okay. Whoa! I'm pretty sure I got that on camera, but I did not see the lightning. Bro, this is crazy.
It's raining hard out. It's trying to like be like, no, I was with my butt.
I heard it. I'm hearing it a bit. Brr. So if I keep on shaking the camera, it's just that I'm getting shivers.
I want to see these thunders. No one should be driving out today.
Huh?
No one should be driving.
It's okay as long as if they don't go near the lake shore. Whoa! Jeez, that was crazy.
I'm not going to see anything.
Hello, Cors.
I hear it. I hear it coming. It's gonna come.
I can feel it coming. Don't ask me don't ask me why I feel it. I just feel like it. Somebody must have got struck by lightning. Whoa! There's a crazy thunderstorm.
Perfect.
It didn't hurt. It didn't strike a house. Whoa! Oh, and by the way, if you did not know, if there's going to be close lightning strikes to you, near you, if there's going to be a lightning strike near you, your hair will fizz up. Like it will like rise up.
I hear it coming.
I know, I feel it.
I feel it in here.
Whoa!